Hey everybody, it's Kevin here at Lundell Chiropractic. How many of you have had or know someone who has had sciatic pain? When we say sciatic pain, we're talking about that pain that goes all the way down your leg, into your foot, maybe some tingling and numbness in your foot, maybe some weakness in your foot, really severe pain. One of the things you'll see with this pain is the inability to really straighten your leg. Tying your shoes is going to be really tough. On this side, you're going to be able to bend down and touch your toe. On the other side, it's going to be like, oh, very, very tight. This is very commonly caused from a problem in your back related to the discs. So let's take a peek at what a disc injury might look like. We're looking down on a disc. Discs sit between the two vertebrae, but if we're looking down on it, it has these very interesting structures. It's made of these fibers that go around the outside called the annulus fibrosus. Then it's made, and then it has this center in the middle that's kind of watery called the nucleus pulposus. Back here, you've got your spinal cord. Then you got nerves that run out like this. Now, one thing that will commonly happen is you can get a tear in the disc right here. If you get a tear in the disc, this watery center will start to migrate towards that tear, getting you so this disc starts to bulge out like this. When you have a situation like this, if you've got a tear in the disc, you will have pain when you cough or sneeze. That puts pressure on that tear and will cause more of a bulging. That's one indication that you've got yourself a disc problem. Coughing and sneezing, pain, tightness down your leg, this is most likely a disc problem. So what happens is this disc, if it gets close enough, it'll start pressing on that leg, then you get all those pains and all those problems. One of the ways we can help this is through chiropractic care, chiropractic adjustments. Discs have a poor blood supply. They do not get very much nutrition in there except for through movement and motion. So we need to make sure there's good movement between the two vertebrae so that the blood can get in there, can heal this disc, rehydrate that disc, pull this back just enough to get the pressure off of that nerve, and then the pain will start to come back. First thing we'll start to really notice is some better range of motion in that leg, less tension down that side. Chiropractic is actually very good at helping with disc injuries. Every once in a while, you'll get a bad one where this tear will go all the way through and it sprays all over this nerve. That's a different story. Then at some point you may be looking at another alternative. But your first option should always be conservative chiropractic care, even in bad cases where you think you have a disc bulge or maybe an MRI confirmed disc bulge. Conservative chiropractic care, six weeks worth. Give us a try. We can help. Thanks.